Hello, my name is Kaelyn Cobos, and today I will be presenting database types. Did you know that the global software market is worth close to $300 billion, with open source growing at an average yearly growth of 22%? For some, it may be hard to wrap our heads around what exactly defines the term database. So in this presentation, I will go over what are databases, the two database types, SQL and NoSQL, database applications, and then I'll sum it all over in the conclusion. Now, what are databases? To put it simply, a database is a collection of data or information that is specially organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated for rapid search and retrieval by a computer. Databases are structured to facilitate the storage, retrieval, modification, and deletion of data in conjunction with various data processing operations. A database management system, or DBMS, extracts information from the database in response to queries. This information collected in a database can come in a variety of formats. There are also physical, paper, print, and electronic databases. The information in many databases consists of natural language text of documents, statistics, tables, financial data, and raw scientific and technical data. Now I'm going to go over the two types of databases, SQL and NoSQL. Structured Query Language, or SQL, is a standard programming language for relational database management and data manipulation. SQL is used to query, insert, update, and modify data. Most relational databases support SQL, which is an added benefit for database administrators, as they are often required to support database across several different platforms. Historically, SQL has been the favorite query language for database management systems running on many computers and mainframes. This explains why it is popularly used for web database development and management. Still, SQL is being supported by PC database systems because it can support distributed databases. Distributed databases are databases that are spread out over several computer systems. This enables several users on a local network to access the same database simultaneously. NoSQL, or not only SQL database, is an approach to data management and database design that's useful for large sets of distributed data. NoSQL, which encompasses a wide range of technologies and architectures, seeks to solve the scalability and big data performance issues that relational databases were designed to address. NoSQL is especially useful when an enterprise needs to access and analyze massive amounts of unstructured data or data that's stored remotely on multiple virtual servers in the cloud. Arguably, the most popular NoSQL database is Apache Cassandra. Cassandra, which was once Facebook's proprietary database, was released as an open source in 2008. Other NoSQL implementations include SimpleDB, Google Bigtable, Apache, Hadoop, MapReduce, MemCached-DB, and Voldemort. Companies that use NoSQL include Netflix, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Since I already brushed around the benefits of using SQL and non-SQL, let's look at the cons. The cons for SQL is that it can be difficult to scale, and there's fixed scheming for organizing data. A con of NoSQL is their installation management and tool sets are still maturing, and there's a slower response time. Commercial database applications. Typical commercial database applications include airline reservations, production management functions, medical records in hospitals, and legal records of insurance companies. The largest databases are usually maintained by governmental agencies, business organizations, and universities. These databases may contain text of such materials as abstracts, reports, legal statutes, wire services, newspapers and journals, encyclopedias, and catalogs of various kinds. Reference databases contain bibliographies or indexes that serve as guides to the location of information in books, periodicals, and other published literature. Thousands of these publicly accessible databases now exist, covering topics ranging from law, medicine, and engineering to news, current events, games, classified advertisements, and instructional courses. As I said before, a database is a collection of data or information that is specially organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated for rapid search and retrieval by a computer. Databases are structured to facilitate the storage, retrieval, modification, and deletion of data in conjunction with various database and processing operations. There's two types of database types, the SQL and NoSQL. In conclusion, database and its two types are important because of its potential to increase efficiency of business operations as well as reduce costs. Thank you.